So hey guys, welcome back to YouTube channel Ankita Jeeves. So guys, today's video will be little bit different. So guys, my request is to each and every friend to watch the video completely. After that you try to contact me, because I have given each and every details in this video with the price, and the walk around video I will be showing you in the last. So let me tell you about the vehicle details first. The vehicle, it has an engine of Mahindra DI turbo engine, which is 2500 cc. With that we have used an two-wheel drive gearbox, which is 5+1, 5-speed gearbox. 5+1 means 5 in the front and 1 in the reverse. So 5+1 two-wheel drive gearbox we have used in this. We have power steering, we have power brake, and we have power clutch in this vehicle. So I will just give you a little look of the engine, what's the condition of the engine and how much we have worked on it. DI turbo engine, radiator, it's brand new power zone battery. It's the power steering, oil pump, power brake and power clutch. This is the air filter in which you get a diesel air filter is kept in this one, and you can see this is the diesel pump. So each and every single work has been done on this engine, so you won't face any kind of problem in this. So after that I will tell you about the paint quality. It's 2K paint, black 2K paint. The vehicle is completely in 2K black paint. After that I will tell you about this grill. This is a square grill in which we used to get old Willys model look lights. So this one is a square light in this model, and you get a Mahindra nameplate on this, so that the power steering pump which is fitted over here, that won't look ugly. So after that you can see on the front bumper we have put two 4x4 hella lights, and underneath we have given 4 lights which are 1 by 1, and with that we have given a yellow color roping on this one. After that you can see out this two chrome finish mirrors which has indicator in this as well. After that we have used 2 frame LED lights, and this one is a single glass frame. After that we have used, here is a dummy silencer. It's not working, it's a dummy silencer, as most of the guys knows that. After that we have used a old models Willys look like light in this itself. So the tires which we are used on this vehicle are Mini Monster size. So guys, this is the Mini Monster tire with 8 spokes alloy wheels in this one, and we have used a detachable soft top which is convertible. You can take it out and you can install it again. I have posted a separate video on installation of soft top. You can check out my playlist, video playlist, and you can get the video over there how we have to detach the top and how we can put it up. So I will give you a smaller brief information about the interior as well. So guys, let me tell you about some information about the interior. You can see the look of this steering, which is very fancy and it carries very good look with the black interior. After that you can see the seats, which are pushback seats. We can adjust it front, back according to your size, according to your comfort. After that, here is a gear knob. This is the 5+1 gear. We have given 3 meters over here. One is for temperature, one is for fluid indicator, and one is for speed and the kilometer runnings. We have given a music player in this one. We have a F7 music player in this one, and we have used 2 F7 speakers in this vehicle. And this is the grey console over here. We have given a charger. It's like a cigarette lighter. You can put your charger and lighter over here. Here is the remote key of your player, and this is a first aid box. They have given the sticker, but you can keep any of your documents, anything in this one, GPK related documents as well, so it's safe around. We have given seat belts holders here as well. Seat belts are fixed over here on this pipe. So, and backside I can show you, we have given a motor pipe, and behind there is a single sofa seat where 2 persons can easily sit over there. So let me give some details about the backside as well. So guys, you can have a look about the top. Is in taper type and which has check boxes in that, so you can see through easily. After that we have given Bolero tail lamps on this one, a diesel tank, and the 5th tire, the Stepney tire over here. We have given a rear hook as well, and brake lights, 2 brake lights as well in this one, and indicator, backlight, reverse backlight, and each and every light is available in that Bolero light. So guys, totally overall this is the look of the vehicle. So coming to the price, let's come forward so that I can give you some more details about this one. So guys, there are 2 vehicles over here. About this vehicle and its features, I will make another video. These tires are very heavy and very tall as well. You can compare the size as well of both the vehicles. There is so much difference in this one. So I will post this video in the next part. So coming to this, the customer details, it's Mr. Sai from Hyderabad. very good person. I know him personally as well. So the vehicle completely, it will cost you around 4 lakhs in these features. For extra tire, it will be 15,000 extra. So guys, the prices have little bit increased because of this lockdown. Some of the accessories which are in shortage, they have hiked the prices, and so some of the tires and the taxation, they have increased it, so the price has been increased. You can take a normal price of the Jeep, this village Jeep would be 3,85,000 in 4 tires and 4 alloys. So extra tire would be extra. For music player, the price is extra. So guys, I have given you the price detail as well. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment and share this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel Ankita Jeeps, please friends subscribe my channel, and now enjoy its walk around video. We'll meet in next part. Bye bye. Thank you. Take care.